Hello, Booze Clues fans. It's Linda, Miss Linda, and I'm here on Booze Clues looking for Miss Leona, and she doesn't seem to be in the living room. Leona! Oh, what are you doing?
I'm hiding under the table with my umbrella.
Why?
Because today we are doing the letter U.
Nice.
Come on over.
Okay.
Come on over and join me. Oh, Miss Leona is almost too big.
For under the table.
Under the table.
U.
We're doing the letter U today. With my umbrella. Let's maybe set this over here. I'm going to put it over here so we can see a little bit. Today's letter is the letter U. The phonetic sound you will be listening for today is Can you hear it? The phonetic action for you is like opening an umbrella. Together? Can you hear it?
And your hand goes up.
My hand goes up. Come on over. Let's look at the few things on my table. How exciting. Can you come over this way, Miss Linda? So, on my table today, letter U. We're going to start over here. We have umbrella. Umbrella. We have cereal. Don't tell anybody. This is my favorite. Lucky Charms. They're not just for kids. We have some cheese. I have a cup or a mug. I have some tomatoes. Tuna. Look at my picture. I can't find a unicorn anywhere.
Did you look?
I did. In my garden, can't find one. Letter U. These are my utensils when I cook. Here is an undershirt and some underpants.
Are those your underpants?
Do you think so? No, Miss Leona's too big. Okay, let's have a quick glance over my table. We're looking for the letter U and the phonetic sound of Have a quick look. You gotta tell me how many U things are on my table today. Come on over here, Miss Linda. And let's see if we can write the letter U. I think this is one of my favorite letters.
They're all your favorites.
Oh, I say that every week.
You love them all.
I love them all. Okay, take my magic pen. I'm gonna start here, right in the middle. I tricked you. We're not gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna start here on the top. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna go down, and slowly curve in, and up. U. That would be like that. Here, right here. Down, curve in, curve up, and straight up. Letter U. Little U goes down, up. You can tell the difference because I'm going to go down and add a little tiny tail. Got that? Down, up, straight up, straight down, and a little tiny tail. U, the letter U. The phonetic sound is ah, ah, ah. The action is ah, ah, ah. Miss Leona, Miss Linda,
What?
do you know what?
What?
I think this is a vowel.
Are you sure?
I'm trying to think of the vowel song. Help me sing it. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes the letter Y. Shh. I just realized that, Miss Linda.
That's awesome. That's 2 vowels this week we looked at.
2 vowels. Amazing. Thank you guys for coming and joining me here on